Hi there, I'm very glad to be here today for this new video. Today's topic is how to make things easy for you, how to reach your goals and now easily, rapidly, instantly. 3 tips. First advice, make sure that what you wish for is really truly what you want. Second, tool that works for you, the best approach, your unique approach. Second, love yourself deeply. Third advice, believe that this is easy, that you can make things easy for you, that you can succeed now rapidly, instantly, almost effortlessly. Ask yourself, how can I use my unique talent, reach all my goals now, effortlessly, instantly, rapidly. Let's complete with my coaching cards to see if we can complete or deepen what I've said. If you need help, I would love to help you. Please feel free to check out my coaching packages on my website. I have 1 hour sessions, 5 hour packages, 10 hour packages, half a day sessions. I still have my August summer challenge offer. It's still valid for 10 days. So if you want to benefit from 3 hours coaching with a weekly follow-up, so we have now 10 days, so it's not weekly follow-up, it will be a small follow-up, but you can still benefit from the 3 hours coaching sessions. Please feel free to check out my offer on my website, and also my coaching program, Get to Deep Dive Back into Your Life, Success on All Levels. This is a self-coaching program. I show you how I helped myself, how you can help yourself to reach your goals in all areas of your life, get to deep dive back into your life, succeed on all levels in all areas of your life. You'll find all the information on my website. And now let's see with my coaching cards. Okay, this is my Substance Mind deck with my extended cards. So I think we shouldn't start with the cards. I feel it's not. So I start with my other decks from my book that are based on my books. Like Cheap Live Better and Master the Art of a Happy, Healthy and Successful Lives. Okay, so some cards that came. There were a lot of cards, so let's see if we use them all. So there's something about efficiency, become an efficiency guru. Know your strengths and passion. Be gentle, kind, real, but real. So to make things easy for you, this is helpful. Use the attitude, I can learn this, or I can do this. I would say I prefer I can do this, and nourish your needs as watering a flower. So each item has a home. I'll let you think. Use your unique talent. What is this about? Is this relevant to me? How can I use my unique talent? Understand make things easy for me. Okay, so let's take some other cards. As I said, if you want to have personal guidance, I work on all levels. You find all the information on my website. So feel yourself safe with yourself. Feel safe with yourself. Be aware about the distribution of roles. Who is doing what? Know who you are really. Okay, this will be helpful in order to make things easy for you. Succeed now. Smoothly, easily, instantly, quickly, in safe, healthy, protected ways. I take my Substance Mind deck again. Feel how you feel with the many cards here. There's something about hobbies, maybe. Understand about your hobbies, something about hobbies. So there's something about mother, start, work. So if you're here and you want to reach your goals with your work, you're a mom, or you're pregnant, know that you're ready. It's okay, it's now. I did another one yesterday, or no, not yesterday, a couple of days ago. The timing is now. Also, this in my last audios, I think the timing, it's about now. Know that you're ready. If you feel that you want some help, I mean, this can be in one area of your life, or need support, please feel free to contact me, as I said. Let's see if there's another card, but my team said no. Yeah, there was, this card came out today. So, and it's not to, I mean, I don't do any predictions. It's just to give you a kind of idea about the timing and the energy and the timing. And the timing is, it's now. If you're here and you have chosen this video intuitively, then it's now. You understand, the timing is now. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I wish you a good day, evening, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.